Everyone wants to start a business, but most people wait until everything is perfect. The truth? You don't need investors, a co-founder, or even an app. You need action, and that's exactly what this channel is about. Welcome to Startup Days. Startup Days is your daily fuel for building simple, modern startups. We post 2 short videos every single day, micro business ideas, AI-powered side hustles, digital product tips, all designed for solo builders and indie founders. And in longer videos like this one, we go deeper into how to actually build. From idea to product, from zero to income, no fluff, just real steps. So let's get real. What even is a startup? It's not just a small business. A startup is a business that's designed to scale fast. Think Airbnb, Uber, Slack, all started small. But they had one thing in common. They solved a painful problem in a better, faster, or cheaper way. That's the startup mindset, not just selling, solving. Step 1, spot a problem. Don't wait for $1 million idea. Look for problems, annoying, boring, broken things people deal with every day. That's where opportunity hides. Step 2, build a quick solution. Don't build a full app. Build just enough to test the idea. It could be a Notion doc, a Google form, a landing page with a fake button. It's not about perfect, it's about speed. Step 3, test with real people. Ask friends, post online, run a cheap ad. See if anyone actually wants what you're offering. Step 4, collect feedback. Ask, what would make it better? Why didn't they buy? Make it better. Iterate. Repeat. Step 5, grow what works. If people pay or love it, scale. Automate it. Sell more. Build a brand. If not, pivot. You're still early. That's your advantage. You don't need permission. You don't need perfect timing. You just need to start. This channel exists to push you forward, one idea, one action at a time. Subscribe if you're serious about launching your own thing. Drop it in the comments if you're ready to build. Let's start your startup days today.